Do you like snowflakes? Well, this is the tutorial for you. I will show you how to make these earrings after the jingle. Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Natalia, Lia for friends, and in this video I will show you how to make these beautiful and sparkly little snowflakes, and I'm going to make some earrings with this module, but you can make also necklaces or pendants or bracelets or whatever you want. I love so much this module and hope you love it too. These earrings are very easy to do and the tutorial is perfect for beginners too, so you will need very few supplies to make them and can wait to wear them during the Christmas holidays. So let's see what are the supplies needed to make our snowflakes earrings. So what we will need to make our earrings, I'm using some ball earrings stud. These are in stainless steel and they have a loop at the bottom. Then we will need 3 colors of 11O seed beads. I'm using opaque lustered white, PF 557 by Toe, the golden one, and I'm using also PF 558 by Toe for the silver ones. Then we will need some jump rings. I'm using these little 3 millimeters or 4 millimeters jump rings. And for the middle part of the snowflakes, I'm using these Rosemontes by Swarovski. These are very particular because they have a cross channel in the bottom, as you can see from the images, and you can sew them on some fabric or you can use them also in seed beads work, so they are very cute. I'm using crystal color and they are 4 millimeter. I bought them on a European website, Perles & Co, but you can find them online. But if you want, you can also make snowflakes without this middle part, and I made this transparent version without the strass inside. I will leave you all the supplies needed in the description below, and finally we need a needle. I'm using a number 10 needle, but I recommend you a number 12 needle and a 0.15 millimeters Fairline thread. So the first thing we have to do is to pick up 12 golden seed beads and bring them at the end of the thread. I'm using the golden ones to show you how to make the module, but you have to repeat the steps to make the other snowflakes because the steps are always the same. So pass through the first bead and pass again through the whole sequence of beads to strengthen the work. Pass again through the next 2 beads here, and now pick up 3 11O seed beads again and pass through the same bead from the bottom to the top and pull the thread. This is the final result. So now you have to pass through again the 2 next seed beads, pull the thread and repeat the same step until the end of the round. So pick up 3 11O seed beads and make the picot with the row technique. And this is the final result. As you can see, it's quite easy to do. Pass again through the next 2 beads, pull the thread. Now we have to pass the thread through the right bead and through the top bead. Then pick up again 3 more 11 seed beads and pass again through the top bead from the bottom to the top. So here it is. Pull the thread and pass again through the whole sequence of the 3 beads we have just added to the work. So I turn the work and pass again through the 4 beads. Then bring the thread in the middle part again and repeat this step on each arm of the snowflake. So we have to bring the thread exiting from the top bead of each sequence of 3 and pick up 3 more 11 seed beads and make another point for each arm. So then reinforce the work, and this is the final result. You have to repeat this step on the 4 remaining top seed beads. So you have to make 6 arms for our little snowflakes. You have to repeat the same steps. This is the final result. And as you can see, now we are going to sew the crystal in the middle part of our snowflake. I have the thread exiting the middle bead of one of the arms, as you can see, and the thread exits to the right of the middle bead. So pick up the rose montée on the needle, passing through the cross channel at the bottom of it, and place it in the middle of the snowflake, so in this way. Now we have to pass through the opposite bead from the right to the left to center the crystal in the middle of the snowflake. So pull the thread. Here it is, and now we have to pass it again to the vertical cross channel in the other way to center it. So from the left part to the other left part of the bead at the bottom of the snowflake. And here, as you can see, we have the thread at the left side and at the right side of the seed beads in the middle. So pass through the next 4 beads, and now you have to repeat the same steps for the horizontal channel of the cross. So to center it, you have to pass through the beads, through the channel, and pass again through the same bead and to the channel to center it in the middle. So you have sewn the crystal at the top, at the bottom, at the right side, and at the left side of it. And this is the final result. So now, as you can see, we have the arms of the silver snowflake sewn together to make it more stable, because I don't want the arms are moving too much. So now I'm going to make the same thing on the golden snowflake. So we have the thread exiting the middle part of one of the arms, pass through the top right bead, then pass through the middle top bead, then the bottom bead, and now you have to sew together the 2 arms with this little loop, and repeat this step for all the snowflake arms. So in this way you are going to sew together the arms, and the snowflake is more stable. If you don't understand well all the steps, you can slow down the video with the settings of the YouTube under my video, so check it out. But as you can see, the steps are the same. You have to sew together all the arms, and then at the end of these steps you have to pull the thread very well to make the snowflake very strong and stable. As you can see, this is the final result. And if you don't like the way it looks like, you can use transparent monofilament thread, or if you can leave the arms alone without sew them together. So this is up to you. Now with the same steps you can make the other snowflakes, and now here they are. I have made them already, and now I'm going to show you how to assemble them together. It's a very easy process. We have only to use jump rings, a very little jump ring, and pass through the top and the bottom seed bead of each snowflake. Now I'm opening the jump ring, passing through the top bead of the white snowflake and passing through the loop of the earring stud. Then again pass through the golden top seed bead, here it is, and through the white bottom seed bead of the previous snowflake to join them together. Here it is, as you can see. And now I'm going to close the jump ring with some pliers. And you have to repeat the same thing with the third snowflake. So open the jump ring, pass through the top 11O seed bead of the silver snowflake and through the bottom seed bead of the golden snowflake. And so we have just finished our snowflakes earrings for Christmas holidays. What do you think about them? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So I ask you sorry for my bad English, but I hope you understand. I'm Italian. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, leave a like and a comment below, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram too. You can find me with the name Natalia Savastano. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial. I hope you like it, and see you in the next video. Bye bye!